Hey, Goofy. Say, give him 5. All right, there we go. Give him some bump bump. All right, there we go. All right. Okay, you got it? Yeah. Oh, I love it. You can just leave it right here. Yeah.
Okay. Right here is the milk, butter, creamy butter, maple syrup. These berries come with your pancakes and bacon.
Wow.
There is the one with no eggs.
Okay.
And kids waffles.
All right, beautiful. Thank you so much. They brought us turkey bacon and we don't eat turkey bacon. So we said, you guys forgot to bring us bacon, the right bacon. Look how much bacon they brought us. They brought us a whole slab, a whole pig. Yes. He said these right here are a gift from the hotel because something about the orange grove history in California, in the Grand California. And then look how cute the syrup is. I love it. All right, Grand California, let's go. So we're going to have breakfast, and then we're going to head over to Disneyland here in just a little bit. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, so we are up, we are dressed. Today is day 2 of our Disneyland park days. There's Summer, and we are headed to Disneyland today. We had the best day yesterday at California Adventure. Did you love it?
I loved it. It was awesome.
Our date night. Amazing. If you, hopefully you guys seen it. We did the World of Color dessert party.
It was amazing.
Yeah, and it was fantastic. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, so we are headed over to Disneyland now. We're gonna have the best day ever. So let's go. We are going
to Mickey's Railroad Adventure.
Oh yeah, the first ride we already set up, which is Mickey and Minnie's Railway. We're gonna do that first because Sheldon has never ridden it, so it's gonna be his first time. So here we go. It's gonna be a fun experience. Let's get into Disneyland, and we're going through the entrance at Grand Californian, so it's super close. The lady said once we come out of the security entrance, this is right here, that Disneyland is like 2-minute walk. So super excited about that.
He's
and
coming.
This hotel has been amazing. It's super close to the parks, and the convenience is just everything. So stay here if you can because it's fabulous.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't.
So we booked a vacation package, and we need to get our pins and lanyards. So we have to get them at World of Disney. Look, oh my gosh. These are so nice.
They're the 100-year ones.
I am obsessed.
You want it, you want to take a leap and jump in. You want to fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms. If I can make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, when I see you moving, like me up. I love when you go like that.
Yes. Oh my God. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave, the superstar. You are amazing.
No problem.
I love it. Thank you. All right. Bye. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about.
He reminds me of Libby.
I know, right? Isn't he? He was fun. Oh my God. He was amazing. Where'd he go? I don't know. He's leaving. Bye, Dave. There he is. There he is. He's so nice.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
He is so excited. Oh my God. Daddy, Daddy, look. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Hi, Goofy! Beautiful day for a picnic. Yes, we're off to the park. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're not any trouble. Oops, I'm going to take a ride on this train. Excuse me.
Okay. Scoot over, Mama. Can you scoot over?
Picnickers, something's gonna go wrong.
So this is Minnie Mouse's house. So you can go inside and meet her and see the inside. And then Mickey lives right next door. Look, Noah, that's Minnie Mouse's house. Hey, Goofy. Say, give him 5. All right, there we go. Give him some bump bump. All right, there we go. Thank you, Goofy.
Few moments later.
We are back in the room. We only rode one ride because our kids were being so
Unmagical.
unmagical. So this right here, this. So we're here so they can take a nap. We're gonna have some food, and then we'll probably go back around 5 or 6 and just close it out for the rest of the day. So we'll see you guys in a bit after they take a nap. Hey guys, so we're back in the room. The littles are taking a nap right now. We ended up only riding one ride, Mickey and Minnie's Railway, and then we let them play in Toontown for a little bit. But both of them were just having meltdown after meltdown after meltdown, and it was really bad. So we had to leave and come back to the hotel. So thankfully the room is really dark because there's curtains, like blackout curtains, so those help a lot. And we have like the rain sounds going on, and it's really dark in there, so we're gonna let them take a good nap. It is 5 o'clock right now. Disneyland closes at 11, so we set up a DAS pass for Rise of the Resistance, and so when we're done with the kids napping, I'm gonna wake them up in about 20 minutes. I did go and get them some food. I had some rewards from Popeyes and McDonald's. So I went and got them some McDonald's, got me and Sheldon some Popeyes for dinner, because why not? I mean, it's free. So we placed the order and I went and picked it up. So yeah, they're just napping right now. Dad actually left because he had to go and run to the store to get some things. And when he comes back, we're going back to Disneyland and we're gonna hit it this time. They're just gonna have to be up until 11 o'clock because we wasted pretty much like a half a day. So hang in there and we're going back. Like I said, Rise of the Resistance is gonna be the first ride we're gonna ride. We're gonna have to do a kid swap. Noah is tall enough to ride it, but Summer is not. Me and Sheldon will do the kid swap. I'll probably let him and Noah go first because they've never ridden it. And then me and Noah will go again. So Noah can ride twice, so. And then also, I forgot to mention, thank God that we are super close. So Grand Californian is the bomb because it took us maybe 5 minutes to walk back to the room. Once we were out of Disneyland, it took us like 2 minutes to get back to the hotel. So it's super close. And if you have little children like us who are just tired and they need a break in the middle of the day, or if you're just tired and you don't want to have to go very far, it's worth the splurge to me. We ended up booking this room. I ended up getting a spring offer. So we got a really good deal on the room. We didn't pay like the normal rate on this in this hotel is like $1,000 per night. I think, yeah, the normal day is like $976 or something like that per night. So it's really expensive. But you're paying for this. Like, that's California adventure. So this is what you're paying for. So it's worth it, you know, 100%. So just want to mention that. Come stay at Grand California and you guys will love it. The kids are awake. And now it's time for us to go back to Disneyland. So we about to go hit it. Like I said, we have that Rise of the Resistance DAS pass waiting for us at 6 o'clock. So we're about to go ride that. So let's hit it. Woo! I lost my voice just today on the Incredicoaster. I know. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with the view. I can't. I don't know. Can't go back after this.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end. Because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, oh, 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 oh. You were like, no, oh, no, oh. I was like, oh, 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 oh. You were like, no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look.
Look at all the goodies. Look at Cinderella's carriage. Rice Krispies and cake pops and marshmallow sticks, churro toffee. Okay. Got a corn dog. Yum, yum, yum. Let's see what it tasted like. Ooh. Look at that corn dog. Mmm. Gus, 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 gus. Okay, we're on the way to Rise of the Resistance. I got my little corn dog. We having some crazy. Doing donuts in the stroller. And we're going to get on Rise of the Resistance. Funny, funny.
On your face, my heart is empty and unguided. A blind leading chase. Thought I had a plan with you and me. Was the daring of my own.
So there was a lot of people standing around us here at this spot because Rise of the Resistance had broken down. Well, you really couldn't hear Sheldon, so that's why I just decided to jump in. So basically, he was just giving an update, telling you guys that Rise of the Resistance had broken down and that we were going to go ahead and just take advantage of the time and go get on Pirates of the Caribbean. And then, of course, once we're done with that, we'll come back to Rise of the Resistance. So here we go. I think I do want one. I'm going to get a Coke and let's do a Sprite too. Yeah. That's it.
$2.50, please.
All right, we did it. We got our little Coke, our bomb balls, our bomb Sprite, and our bomb Coke. We did it.
Breaking me down to my knees.
Tiger. We call that a Himalayan tiger because sometimes Himalayan over there, but I guess right now him is standing. Yeah, do you guys know pictures of me though? My mom still thinks I'm a nerd. Yeah. We're gonna actually stop right over here, folks. If I turn off the light, you know, this is what I told you, but this is why you don't need the front door open to the jungle mode. I don't know why. Because your in-laws will come in. You know, look, I got the water! I don't know about you, but I'm starting to think he's trying to set a new record. Yeah, folks.
Yay!
Oh, thank you. You guys are really outstanding. But I'm going to need you guys outstanding on that dog. Yeah. And folks, for your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And parents, watch those children. We don't want anyone to experience any peer pressure. Yeah. But folks, out of all of my boats, you guys have been, wow, the most recent. But folks, you don't like my cruise, my name is Christian. That is spelled H-E-L-P-M-E! Exclamation point. You guys want amazing.
Yay! You were amazing! All right. We just got off a Jungle Cruise. Now we're just having a Dole Whip break. All right, welcome to the Tropical Hideaway. It's kind of a line, but we're gonna see if we can mobile order. Don't put it in your face. Beautiful, you're amazing, thank you. Okay, we got our Dole Whip. My daddy used to feed me this when I was a little girl. This is so good. Sonny and the Little is just having a Dole Whip break. Dad is going on Indiana Jones, and then I'm next. Gus Gus. Look, Summer like, dang, let me get some.
Some people ask,
She won't stop crying, so Noah just started giving her ice cream.
well, I'll tell you.
Indiana Jones by myself. So I've ridden this before, but Sheldon had never. So I let him ride first, and now it's my turn. Let's go.
I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny.
Sheldon just went and got on Rise of the Resistance. I let them ride first since it was their first time riding. And I'm just sitting here with Summer Rain. She's munching on some chicken nuggets. Some chicken nuggets. And then when they come off, I'm gonna go. It is 10:12 right now. The park closes at 11. So our goal is to try to ride Rise of the Resistance, both of us. And then once we're done with this, we'll go over to Smuggler's Run if we have time. If we don't, then we'll just go back to the hotel and call it a night. Say hi. 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 Well, I'm glad we made it to Tomorrowland because it was the only land we hadn't made it to. The Astro Orbiter. So cool. I know, that's it right there. Look. Spaceship. So this is what we're about to get on, Star Tours. So they closed Rise of the Resistance early, so I couldn't get on that. So we jetted over to Tomorrowland and I'm jumping on Star Tours. It is 10:50. We only have about 10 minutes left of open time. And then we're gonna go to the bakery and get out of here.
Alien species. This is not the line you were looking for.
All right, last ride of the night. Here we go, Star Tours. Go.
201, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 1400.
Woo, here we go, buddy.
R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn
Here we go, buddy. You ready?
Before we get to the drop. I knew it.
Stop right there.
Don't shoot.
I know you have a spy on board.
And terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go.
Here you go, buddy.
You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Here we go, buddy. Woo! Let's go. Woo! High speed. Good job, buddy. Good job. My buddy said he want a lightsaber. You want this one? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go pay for it. Come on. They had different ones you could choose from, and he picked the, I think this is Kylo Ren's. All right, let's go pay for this so we can get out of here. Me and Noah are at La Jolly Bakery, just trying to get a burrito sandwich and a Mickey macaroon. So hopefully they have some left. And he loves his lightsaber. Love it?
Yes.
So these are the things they have on special. It's okay, you're good. And these are the goodies. All right, so we had the best day today at Disneyland. Me and Noah just got our goodies. We got the raspberry macaroon, and then we got the trifle, which is like a layered cake in a jar. I'll include some shots of it in there so you guys can see. Noah got his lightsaber. We had the best day. Noah and Sheldon are back at the room, and we are about to call it a night. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us again today at Disneyland. Tomorrow is going to be a fun day again. We're probably going to do LA and just kind of tour around the city and try different foods and everything. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys later. Please like and subscribe to our video. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. All right, so just some last minute footage. So California Adventure is right over there. We didn't use the front entrance because we stayed at the hotel, of course. The hotel is right next door. You can't see it because it's too dark. And then Disneyland is right there. So it's literally gonna take us maybe 2 minutes to walk back to our hotel room. Look, y'all. Oh, wow. They got a whole like car bank for Little Mermaid. Don't go under the gate. Don't touch it. And they got Pandora. Like a Pandora collection. Look, 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 look. I know, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's walk around and see.
Whoa.
You got a treasure chest on the other side. All right, Little Mermaid. Come on, buddy. All right, y'all, for real this time. Good night.